Lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko nawigo web design mabati ligani kabwata chikala bunabone ya Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue nawigo na Green. Obutambe bwe mabati liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi eh? Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza, sehemu ya kulia mimi unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani unalala tu, haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Mwancho murire hawairire buya nainde ase bireviga vya wana maragoba. Karibu sana ase kiunga chinsa ikumiri tukeriga ria Jumatano yetu tariki 20 ase omotinyo igo gatano na gatatu mwaka 2025 nkuruko Matilda Obaigwa tukubwaterana ne Reveni Nyaboki kurwase omono abwebi manyerere ekirongo chaka ekiunga mwancho murigireria nigo omurai ibwense ya Kenya omoske William Ruto anyarire kuboria serikali yense ya Japan kogenderera gusanga gusegusira ense ya Kenya aigani gako ya kwana korwa ase chinse mocha Yokohama ime yense ya Japan nekirapono bagenderete negeikaro kyokurigereria amagenderero ao gusokubwaterana ase egati yechinse mocha Tokyo na boigogo chase orogongo orwa Africa.
Kenya and Japan enjoy a friendship that has flourished over 6 decades. During this time, Japan has been a steady partner in our development journey. Japan's contribution is feasible across key sectors: infrastructure, agriculture, water, energy, health, and human resource development. From geothermal power generation to the transformation of Mombasa Port into a global maritime hub, Japan's support has been instrumental in positioning Kenya as a strategic gateway into Africa. With more than 120 Japanese companies thriving in Kenya, our private sector collaboration is robust and expanding. These firms contribute to job creation, technology transfer, and industrial growth while serving as anchors of Kenya's economic transformation. This event, organized in partnership with the city of Yokohama, will showcase Kenya's dynamic investment landscape and highlight priority sectors from infrastructure to renewable energy, all the way to agribusiness and digital innovation. I urge the private sector in Yokohama to seize the boundless opportunities in Kenya. Our relationship must rise to a level.
Wancho murigire na wigo ka ukorokoro ase enseyo ya Japan ni gobono anyare kwerera buna enseyo ase gwetani miaka 50 bono nigo yabirige kubwatoka chivesa chinyinge uchega asensi ya Kenya ili gusira amagendero ase chi sector ao na wigo nekero anyare kuboria buna abasai menzi ya Kenya mbagenderete kosemigwa na wigo korokiwa enjira baratumeke mitandao yekerero na wigo kuboria ensi ya Japan enyare gwancha kwena na amabaga ya eri yechigasi gochasi abasai bakorwa asensi ya Kenya.
Over the past 50 years, Japan has extended more than $5 billion in development assistance advancing Kenya's transport, energy, agriculture, and health systems. Recent milestones such as the $116 million commitment on the Olkaria 7 geothermal project underscore the continuing strength of our collaboration. Kenya's economic ambitions are anchored in Vision 2030 and our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. We aim to achieve up to 10% annual economic growth by 2030 and increase job creation by 1.2 million jobs every year. Our 5 priority sectors, agriculture, health, digital economy, manufacturing, and climate action, are well aligned with Japan's own development priorities. There is opportunity for us to collaborate in the development of digital skills and training, innovation hubs, and financial technology to unlock over 1 million jobs. Kenya is incubating global software solutions, enabling cross-border e-commerce, and fostering business process outsourcing at scale. Our ambition is to train and export 1 million digital jobs backed by our youthful pool talent and robust connectivity. We are expanding fiber optic infrastructure across Kenya.
Mwancho murigire nase siasa chaye muske Rigathi Gachagua nigo abarai bekiama gia DCP bakorawa na Cleophas Malala bono obanyare goteba buna obutoreru mbuche kweneki wa usimbuche ko baroro aiga sense ya Kenya ekiro muske Rigathi Gachagua arachikwirana abo litukoria ankyo chinsa cha mugaso nekiro bono banyare kuboria serikali etike kugendera kugosereria abakenya buna nigo ekiro muske Rigathi Gachagua asense ya Kenya aguturbania omulembe na boyo kuboria oborendi bunyare kwenekiwa ase chinsemo chionsi anamono ase omochio Nairobi ekiro Gachagua koirana.
In the event that his plane gets diverted to either Kisumu or Mombasa, he will still be received by our supporters in those respective cities, and we have made adequate plans and alternative logistics to that effect. In any case, we are aware that the instructions from Mr. William Ruto are still active. Aside, as announced earlier, once our party leader touches down, we shall have a peaceful procession into the Nairobi Central Business District and address our supporters and the people of Kenya at various stopovers. We have advised the National Police Service through various OCS accordingly and given a copy of the advisory to the Independent Police Oversight Authority. To the Independent Police Oversight Authority, you are aware that the opposition has been a major victim of police brutality across the country with no action from your end.
You cannot silence the will of the people. No amount of intimidation, empty threats, or state propaganda will stop Kenyans from rising to reclaim their country. We know their tricks. They want to scare us. They want us to stay home. They want us to kneel. But we refuse. Kenya will not be ruled through fear. Kenya will not be auctioned by cartels. Kenya will not bow to cowards in power. Tomorrow at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, the people...
Mwancho muligire matuka make magiga yomu governor we county ya Kericho omuske Dr. Eric Mutai kwa isiko naba MCA we county yo nikobono ritukoria rero aba senator banyari gutwara igikaro kya bene ekyo yokorigereria igatia mamocho ali abekire umugavana Mutai nabo igo nekirobono barachie korigereria nti muki gosenki umbeki kirachie korosiwa nabo igo korigereria abiriro gosiku kwanera ebiriro ebyo bya aba MCA ba county ya Kericho.
And all abating misappropriation of public raised funds. The particulars of this allegation are that the governor, on various days between 4th and 9th of July 2023, violated the provisions of Article 10, 73 and 75 of the Constitution, and Section 29 and 39 of the Leadership and Integrity Act by doing the following. 1. Overseeing misappropriation of funds raised for the victims of the horrendous Londiani Junction accident tragedy, in which over 9 million of public raised funds were lost, and reneging on his undertaking to implement the report of the County Assembly Ad Hoc Committee formed to probe misappropriation of the funds meant for the victims of the accident. Number 2, being personally and directly complicit in the flawed award of direct tenders for service providers during the fundraiser and requiem mass of the victims of the accident. Number 3, failing to ensure that decision-making in the executive office of the county governor is not influenced by corruption, nepotism, and other callous and improper motives, hence failure to exercise objectivity and impartiality, thus violating Article 732B of the Constitution.
Na gotigana nayo mawaziri boborendi boime omoske Kipchumba Murkomen nigobono anyare kuboria abagambi gose abachief korwase chinsemo oimense ya Kenya gutenena abokongo na boigo eri okurwania obukurumi ayega nigako yakona korwase county ya Murang'a na boigo nekiratebiro na abarai bali abake gose abagambi mbabwateri bagari abene rio gukora obukurumi korwa ase ebinyoro korwa ase chinsemo chonsi gose chinsinyo chonsi ime yense ya Kenya.
It is important for us as a country to renew our commitment towards transparency, accountability, and confronting the monster of corruption. And as a ministry, we take this fight very seriously. We take this fight very seriously. And the National Police Service, as our national administrators, as our chiefs, our assistant chiefs, if we want to lead a life of integrity, we must confront the kitu kidogo and the question of corruption among ourselves, because we are spread all over the country. We are the government. We are the representation of the office of the president at a grassroots level. Please, let our representation reflect the status of the office that we represent in terms of conduct and in terms of behavior. As leaders who have come here today, if there is nothing else you take from this meeting, take two things: diligence and integrity, because that is the only way we'll be able to make progress as a country. The reason why corruption is not being weeded out of our midst is the hypocrisy. Unapata ule mtu anabeba ongo sana, is the same person who is presiding over a more critical or very important office at the grassroots level. Please, kuna chiefs wengi. By the way, let me give you good news. A study was done recently. Chiefs and assistant chiefs are the most trusted public servants in the Republic. The most trusted. Kama nyinyi ndio the most trusted na bado kuna kaukora. Imagine tukiwacha ukora.
Mwancio murigereria gati ya yande aria manke gose aria rache kumanywa ngamo na keria una ase omogaso orero imeye bunge ye senate nigo yomanyekanete una omoske Consolata na Bwire anyare gutiani gwakoba omo senator omochore ime ye kiama kia UDA koira ribaga ria ya senator omochore gosoyo kabira mo senator omochore ime ye kiama ekyo kuroiga soro ngorogusi omoske Gloria Oroba ayuna enda mange no enyore asintira engikirano kigema gekoraga chinsa ibire na boigo chinsa nye chia rero marago banchengurukwa Matilda Obaigwa na Veni Nyaboki kurasa umuno bwe manyiro Kevin Ongeri nere ogendete kweneke kwanyore chivicha nere ogasinchira engekirano korende gendera gutigara ime yemero belinde kubwati usasa umurobere bwekerorano ime ya Katembe TV chinga kichonsi kiagereke na kiekeonga kia mwamokusi.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cho wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke irilia gatigati wekari guri iria bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora wikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri go musongo eyuerange ne duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yire nirebuja nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokonelia ebintu aserigori elianse kegema asetauniga ya bosongo koni bare ebintu asensemo ya electronics electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechisime asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirogo besin nebinde ebinge asensemo ya cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebenge koni bare soda juice asensemo elia hardware koni bare power saw generator piano amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboigo asensemeli ya stationary kone bari geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikaram chikalculator chiraba nechi toy semoyende nkoni bari tissue papers chisavet chidapa sanitary towels nechi toothpaste karutari kwiba chi toothbrush boygonkoni bari chi fridge ajirira unyare kwigurira ebintu biga aserigoririanse Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratera ebintu gurite asosao wika asure asorgongoronsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisembo Building ange na Smart Lady aigasi roundabout ya Busongo asa mange kwana na director o Hazan Wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na mabori ande amange oratware sin number 0722 237187. Hazina City Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chi roadshow chinyange amatanga chi anniversary na yenda mangamna one photography